Okay guys, I'm going to show you the inside of my speaker helicopter costume. Let's see it. Here's the inside. We have lots of stuff. We can't have it on fire. These are the controls. This is our emergency button to get out of emergencies. I can go this way, 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 this way. This is my speed. If I go to 100, then I go upside down. This is how fast I'm going. And up here, this is a button that does something. If we go up here, then speaker man allowed, no skippy toilet, a human allowed, speaker man allowed, and TV man. Wait, did I say speaker man? This is cameraman, I don't know. Or I just said, well, that's the inside. Goodbye.